No, I'm not like. I know.
We'll use these ones. Hopefully we'll only four. Those are all fine. This one works too.
Are you ready to start?
We are ready to start. All right. So, here we are, the first edition cosplay court case at Gobblecon. That was pause for applause in my script.
What is this, our fourth convention? As cosplay court case?
No, we've done this at Kineticon, Anime Boston, Yukon at Yukon, another anime convention, and here. And there's also PortCon has their own splinter group that we know nothing about. But so technically it's the 5th or 6th convention, depending on your philosophy of it. So, but we hope it'll be unique and different, and people will be talking about it like they do all the other ones, and there won't be any criminal charges.
This time we have a whiteboard.
Yeah, we got a whiteboard. We got sound, weird stuff going on. It's going to be crazy. Basically, we don't have a lot of time this time because of stuff. So we're going to just real quickly, basically how this works is cosplayers, you will come up here, you will act out the roles of your character you're in the roles of prosecution, defense, judge, there'll be a defendant, and there'll be witnesses, a few calls from the crowd. You know, the idea would be there's a crime and you guys are figuring out what it is. It's all improv, there's no script, we just go off the fly. We just try to do it, and essentially each side gets an opening statement, then they get a witness or two, then they get a closing statement, and that's how it goes. And the judge, of course, has a lot of power, and the judge, if he thinks you're being an idiot, will just toss you out or whatever he wants to do. So, that's the rules, so essentially, this guy here. Anyway, so I'm going to put on my silly hat now, and Kelly, do you want to start picking people, or?
Alright, raise your hand if you want to take part. You gotta have some.
That's what they want you to do. Don't do it.
Oh, look who's talking. You would do it too.
Look at this guy.
Look at this guy.
Look at that guy.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sipping my Diet Coke like a fancy man.
Yeah, that's right.
Pinky out, pinky out.
Straw's getting in the way. It's cramping my style.
Get rid of the straw. Straws are for pansies.
I will pick that up.
Take care of me.
Prosecution's over here, defense is over there.
Defense.
Is that a chomp chomp? I mean, I'm not really familiar with it.
Judge, come on.
What?
Yeah.
Who's judge?
Santa.
Oh.
That's right. Santa has the power.
Always have the power.
He's got like the gavel of doom.
Yeah. Hey, Kelly, would you like a sip?
No, thank you.
Pervert! Get your cam away from me.
Hey, you better put that thing away.
Oh. Would you like some?
I'll save some for later.
Now we get to pick the defendant. Who wants to defend themselves? Who did something wrong?
I've been naughty.
Pick her. Naughty!
Naughty, naughty, naughty. Who the hell's that thing? It's like a reindeer. It's an adorable mutant reindeer.
All right, defendant, please introduce yourself.
Yellow fever.
Who's got to stop laughing first? I'm frightened.
Can you speak out of that?
You know what? I'll just call her Susie.
Does anyone know this person and can speak?
Renamon.
It's Renamon from Digimon.
Renamon from Digimon. Now, what did
Digital monsters,
Digimon? You didn't do it right. Digimon are the champions.
This song annoyed the shit out of me.
Now, what did Renamon do? Anyone shout?
The song was annoying.
Impersonated a Pokemon.
Impersonated impersonated a Pokemon.
Yeah, should we have a bailiff?
Oh yes, we need bailiffs. But is that what we're doing?
You know what? Is Polar Bear in the audience?
Just pick
I recommend Sherman. He should be a bailiff.
All right, so the prosecution just going to give you a couple seconds to figure out what you're going to open your statement about in Renamon being charged with impersonating a Pokemon. So let's think about that.
I would just like the prosecution defense to know you have full use of the whiteboard. Just keep in mind 18 plus is later.
Yeah,
okay.
So,
which means this will be less fun.
We also need a couple bailiffs. Who would like to be bailiffs who enforce the law?
I'll take those two.
You two.
I fought the law in the law.
Chiba!
Ooh, I got some mafia bailiffs.
She wants to be a bailiff. That'd be so awesome.
One more.
All right.
That is a hardcore bailiff.
Yeah!
You don't mess with that bailiff.
Wait a minute.
You do not mess with that.
Bailiff?
All right.
Why do we have a former prisoner as a bailiff?
Former being the emphasis.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
Oh, that's nothing. That's nothing.
We have an ex-con here as a bailiff.
So I got myself a random ass clown, mafia dons, a werewolf, and a white mage.
A fugitive.
And here's what I'm talking about.
So we got to get this going because we don't have a lot of time.
Okay, so what? Do I do it?
So we're giving the prosecution a sec. The bailiffs are here. I'm going to turn it over to the judge in a sec, but I always open everything with an inspirational quote. Today's inspirational quote is, "You're all drawn to the heat of the flame because you want to be a star in the Hall of Fame."
Oh, snap!
Ho, ho, ho. I love those.
Who doesn't?
They sit on my lap every other time. Okay.
All right, for the Honorable Judge Santa.
Set. Stand.
You didn't fail! What?
This right Honorable Santa Claus. Presiding, we're here to try and convict Turn his volume up to Renamon, who is charged with the most heinous of crimes, impersonating a Pokemon. It's now turn on the prosecution. You may start your case.
Yeah, it's on. You just gotta speak, loud.
Thanks, Scott.
That's what I'm here for.
Order in the court.
Clearly,
Captain Obvious.
me being her partner, she's unreliable and therefore had to seek the most obvious approach and impersonate Pikachu. Clearly, she just wasn't getting enough attention, so she committed a heinous crime, like being Pokemon.
Okay. Thank you.
I agree.
Your statement.
Or do you want to just plug my laptop into it?
Assembled jurors, Right Honorable Judge Santa Claus, we are here today to prove my client innocent of the horrible crime of impersonating a Pokemon. As one can clearly see, the Digimon is clearly labeled as such. Now, I'm afraid personally what Medusa might do to me if I don't manage to do as she's asked and get this Digimon off. So please also keep that in consideration as we present our case. Thank you.
Can we turn the air off a little? Oh no, it's crazy. That's 65.
Oh my God.
I know.
I'd like to call Ike to the stand.
Yeah, you would like Ike.
You swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you Smash Brothers?
Yes.
Now, Ike. Let's see. As I recall, did you see Renamon try to perform a Thunderbolt attack?
Well, in my younger years, Super Smash Bros. Brawl, I was supposed to go up against Pikachu. The announcer said it and everything. Ike versus Pikachu. So I was ready with my sword, and then that thing showed up! I didn't know what to do.
Defense, you may cross-examine.
As you were preparing for your battle, did you carefully check the roster to make sure you were indeed battling the Pikachu? Is it possible your extensive blue hair was impairing your hearing when you announced your next battle victim?
Badgering the witness.
No.
Are you absolutely positive?
Yes.
Do we have any expert doctor witnesses who can attest to the reliability of the witness's hearing?
Expert doctors too. Oh yeah.
Rest in the back?
Anyone?
No.
Not
Well,
the 18
since we
plus.
can't have
Alright, just checking.
expert witness to
Figured I'd inform
attest
you.
to the reliability of aforementioned
Oh, I'll check her
witness's
later.
hearing. I think we should
Quiet in the
dismiss
court.
this witness.
Defense attorney, isn't that true that you have blue hair?
Oh.
But as you can see, my ears are perfectly fine.
It looked half covered to me.
I'm going to test that as well.
Would you like to? I'm perfectly willing. Of course, I'm not
Hold on,
Ladies, as a doctor in the house, I will examine you all later.
You're not
You keep quiet in this court.
Are you drunk?
No,
Are you sure?
this is Diet Coke.
I don't trust you on that. Please approach and cross-examine the witness.
Hold on.
Please keep it PG-13.
Keep it G.
Just know this. Pants stay on at all times.
Good vintage. Bitch, I'm gonna get you for that.
Hold up!
Sorry. Already. First words. Okay. Alright. After your last battle, which I imagine was rather complicated and whatever things. Okay. Did you hear a voice shout, "A challenger is approaching"?
Yes.
And did you see that?
That vintage is getting to you.
See, the bartender put in something.
I don't care. Cross-examine the witness before I spank you.
You might like that too much.
I like where this is going.
Shut up and do it.